A very good morning, my dear children. We have started the 14th chapter, A Lesson for All. Today we are going to continue part 3. Here we have completed this milkman and hinder our daily work. Hinder means to limit the ability of someone to do something. Hinder means to limit the ability of someone to do something. Mayor comes. Mayor says, "We will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone. Who has done this? Who is responsible for this mess?" Now Mayor is telling, "I'm not going to tolerate all this, or we all are not going to tolerate. I must look into the matter who has done this, and I will not leave anyone, I will not spare anyone, whoever has done this, whoever is responsible for this." Enter animals who have been hiding. Now animals came inside. They were hiding and they were listening all this matter. Which animals were they? Deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, bear, etc. Each one comes out from his cover turn by turn, saying, each of the animal comes out turn by turn, saying, just see what they are saying. Animals, we are responsible. We have brought in all the litter. What do the animals say? Which are the animals? That is, see here, deer, rabbit, bird, squirrel, bear. They were hiding and they said, "We have brought all this litter. We have brought all this garbage. We have spread the garbage all over the town. We have spread it everywhere in the town." Deer says, "Yes, we confess. We say the truth. We have done it. We did so." Mayor says, "What? You? How dare you do all these things?" Mrs. Joshi, "What right do you have to spoil a town and make it unsafe to move around?" Mrs. Joshi is saying, "You have no rights to spoil our town and make it for us to move anyway, because you have put on all those litters, garbage, tins, broken glasses all over the road, and we can't move on the ground over there. How can we move here or there? Nor our milkman can come, nor our school bus can come, nor the paper boy can come. So we all are unsafe. We can't move on the town." Bear comes forward. What does he say? Just listen. "We have brought only the garbage which belongs to you." Bear says, "We have only brought back to you what belongs to you." That means whatever you have thrown over there where we stay, we have only brought that to you. Tell me, what right do you have to dump all this in the forest? Now the bear is telling, what right do you have to dump? So dump means to drop carelessly all your garbage in the forest where we stay. This forest is our dwelling place. That means where we stay over there. Birds, what they say? Birds say, "Our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Where can we roost or build a nest?" The birds are saying, "Our trees are dying because you are throwing all the garbage here and there in our forest, in the trees, near the trees also, and you are throwing those medicine bottles, okay, some tins which are cutting those roots, okay, because of you all the trees are vanishing. Where can we roost? Where can we live? Where can we sleep? Or where can we build a nest to live in? Because the trees are dying, we have no place to live." Squirrel says, "And where can we live?" Even the squirrel stays on the trees, and even they are telling, "Where can we live?" Rabbit says, now what does he say? See, "You are worried about Madhu being injured because of sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones get injured too?" Now what Rabbit is telling? You are worried about Madhu because she is injured. She got hurt on her foot because of the sharp broken glass. But don't you worry about our young ones when they get injured? When you throw all this garbage over there, this litter, this garbage, There's broken glasses. Even our young ones get hurt. What about our young ones? Dear says yes. And we have no doctors to dress up their wounds. Our young ones simply die because of all these garbage and litters. Dear says yes. We have no doctors to call and dress up the wounds where they've got hurt. They die because of all these things. Madhu and Nidhi says, oh no, how shocking, how terrible it is. Really, we are sorry for all this. Tortoise says, all the fish in the rivers and the lakes die because of the waste dumped in the water. How we suffer because of the chemicals and poisons. Now what is the tortoise saying? All the fish in the rivers and the lakes die. Why? Because of the waste which is dumped in the water, which is thrown in the water. How can even the fishes suffer over there? How can they live? Because of the chemicals and the poisons. Whatever you have thrown, the medicines and all that, in that there are medicines, some chemicals are there, some poisons, chemicals are there. So even they die. Bear says, and so many animals who drink the polluted water fall ill and die. Bear is telling, many animals who drink this dirty water, they fall ill as well as they die. Dr. Sawant says, yes, it is unfortunately true. Dr. Sawant says, yes, it is really true. Peacock says, so we called a meeting and decided. Peacock is telling, so for that reason we had called a meeting and we decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. We don't need it. Peacock is telling, we had a meeting and we decided to return all this garbage back to you, all this stuff back to you. Okay, stuff means all this garbage, all this litter, and we don't need all this. Bear says, anyway, we were not as cruel as you are. We have only returned the garbage. We have not poured chemicals and poisons onto your settlements. What Bear is telling? We are not very bad. We are not cruel as you are. Because when you throw the garbage on that, there are chemicals, some poisonous things which are set on that settled. Like when we clean our house, we put those pesticides and all that to kill the germs and all that. Okay, so we have not put all that on your garbage. We have just brought it back to you without pouring some chemicals or poisons on that. Mayor says, I see. You animals and birds do have a point. You are really right. Mayor says, okay, my dear animals, you have that point. You are right, what you are telling. Mr. Desai, you have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers or lakes. Mr. Desai is telling, you have opened our eyes and will not dump again the rubbish in the forest or in the rivers or in the lakes. We are sorry for that. Mrs. Patel, but where can we dispose of it? Mrs. Patel is telling, now where can we throw all this garbage? Mayor says, if you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. Now Mayor is telling, if you all agree to sort out means what? To put in the correct place all that litter. I will arrange for it to be collected separately. We'll arrange some things to collect separately, all the garbage, the wet one, the dry one, the plastic one. Then some of it can be go for processing. Processing means what? Preparing or changing or treating raw materials as a part of an industrial operation. Processing means changing or treating raw materials as a part of an industrial work. And some for recycling. What does recycling means? Collecting and treating the rubbish to produce useful materials which can be used again. Like plastic can be used again. It is called recycling. Next, Mrs. Joshi. Good idea. Let's do just that. Mrs. Joshi said, yeah, it's really a good idea. Come on, we'll do that. Mayor, let us save our Mother Earth from further harm. Now Mayor is telling, let us save this Mother Earth and will not harm the animals or this earth anymore. To the animals, thank you, dear animals, for teaching us a lesson. Now Mayor is telling the animals, thank you for teaching us a lesson so effectively. Effectively means what? In a way that is successful and achieves what you want. Effectively means in a way that is very much successful and achieving what you want. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil your homes. We promise you. Assure you means to make something certain to happen. I promise you that we will not pollute, we will not spoil your houses. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics. I am going to even warn those people who go for picnics near the rivers. Some animals, thank you, Mr. Mayor, thank you, and they return back to their homes. Mayor says, self-help is the best help. When you help yourself, it will help others. Let's clear this up. Let's make us clear. All, including the mayor, start picking up the litter. Everyone started picking up the litter which was thrown. Even the mayor was picking up the litters. So my dear children, this was the whole chapter which I completed today. I'll give you the question answers in the next video. Next, we'll go for 15th chapter, that is birth bath. Afterwards, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a great day.